everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now, we all enjoy a nice cup of hot chai in the mornings, or we literally wake up with a nice cup of chai. Today I'm going to show you a classic chai recipe. This is masala chai and we're going to make the chai masala from scratch. Now you can store this and bottle it up and use it whenever you want to make this nice chai. So why wait, let's get started and check out the recipe. To make the chai masala powder, first we're going to roast a couple of whole spices. Make sure you heat the pan and maintain the flame on a low throughout, starting with 10 grams of cinnamon, 10 grams of cardamom. So we're using the green cardamom and we'll be using the black cardamom. About 4 large black cardamom. This is about 2 grams of cloves, that's about 1 teaspoon. 5 grams of whole peppercorns. 5 grams of fennel seeds. About 10 grams of dry ginger. A small piece of nutmeg and a few slivers of mace. So just dry roast it on low flame. Roast it for about 10 minutes on low flame till all those aromas come out and you get this nice nutty aroma. So I've been roasting these dry spices for about 10 minutes on low flame, getting this nice aroma here. You can see they're nicely roasted. So now turn off the stove, transfer them to a nice plate and let them cool down completely. The ingredients have cooled down completely, transfer it to a mixer jar. The chai masala is done, so it's ground beautifully. The aromas are very fresh and fragrant. So we're going to bottle this and we're going to make some nice hot masala chai. So I'm making 2 cups of chai. For this, take a saucepan, add 1 cup of water. This is a 250 ml cup. Once the water begins to boil, add 2 teaspoons of tea granules. So you can add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of tea granules depending on how strong you would like your chai. So once the tea comes to a nice boil, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of the ground chai masala. Since I'm making 2 cups, 1 teaspoon is sufficient. If you're making more, you can always add a little more masala powder. Now add 1 cup of milk. Let it boil for about 5 to 6 minutes. So you can see the tea is bubbling and boiling nicely. Now I'm going to add the sugar. So add sugar according to your taste. Now add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Continue to boil it for another 2 minutes and turn off the stove. So there you go. So we've made this delicious chai masala from scratch with all these fresh masala ingredients. So make sure when you're making this, all your spices are nice and fresh and you don't roast it too much. Just make sure it's lightly roasted to get all those aromas out. Now you can put it in a nice airtight bottle or jar and store it, and you can make your nice masala chai whenever you please. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.